please lang it alone ang pwede sa event area. So, go inside lang, go inside. Okay, Lalakchan, please move here. Okay, kids, follow si Lalakchan on sideward. Okay, on sideward. Very good. Duwagin na ka-hands ay nag-stretch, ha? Okay, sino pa ka dyan? Hali na, titi. Okay, di maguya-uya. Parents and guardians encourage kitang kids para madulang hilang ang mga huya. Okay, so maganahan sila mag-join sa aming activity. Okay na? Hands down, everybody. Hands down, hands down, hands down. Lalakchan, hands down, kuya. Hands down. Okay, so before we start, I would like to introduce my team. My name is Tita Ellen, your host for this afternoon. With me is Tita Kim, Tito JM, and Lalakchan! Alright, clap your hands! Wow! So, gusto nyo makita si Lalakchan na nag-dance? Okay, so Lalakchan, itudlo ka sa ilang atong na stepping. So, first step is march, march, march. Then, wash your head. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder. Touch your tummy, button, tummy, button. And then, swing your hands up, down. Up, down. And then shake your hands up, down, up, down. Okay, kaduwa na sulitan, ha? Smile alay. Very good. So, ready na tayo mag-dance? Are you ready to dance? Yes. So, music, please. Namiyon pag-dance, ha? Don't be shy, okay? Follow! Clean your hands. Shake your hands. March. Ready. Yes. March. Yay! Alright, clap your hands, everybody. Okay, sit down ka na. Sit down. Very good. Follow it. Okay. So, kids, mayroon ito di games. Okay, so ating na game is tag of war. Okay? So, familiar ka mo sa tag of war? Okay, so Tito JM and Tita Kim will demonstrate on how to play the tag of war. So, dapat ma-enjoy kita mo, ha? Okay, Lalakchan, ready ka na mag-enjoy? Yes, excited na si Lalakchan. Okay, please come forward, Tita Kim. So, ako na siya ang natin gamiton na materials, ang rope. And si Lalakchan ay nag-cheer. So, mag-count si Tita 3, 2, 1, ma-start, kamupuli. Go! Pull! Pull! Alright! So, nagkato kay Tito JM ang red na ribbon. So, si Tito JM, may 1 point. Another round. Let's do round 2 in 3, 2, 1, pull! Go! Pull! 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 Alright! So, nagbawi si Tita Kim. So, si Tita Kim may 1 point. Clap your hands, everyone. Okay. So, understand ang game? Alright. Kung sino nga tino makakuha sa points, declare tayo natin nga winner! Alright. Yes, Lalakchan. Si Lalakchan may ginauti. Lalakchan, ano na siya? Safety reminders. Sila ni Lalakchan for safety reminders. No pushing. Okay. And then hold the rope tightly. Pull together with your team. And enjoy the game. Clap your hands. Okay. So understand? Okay. So ang ating na game team composed of 3 trials. First round, second round, and then the final round. Okay? Kung sino makakuha 2 points, declare natin nga winner. Alright. So let's group ourselves into 2 teams. Sa team ni Tito JM kay sa team ni Tita Kim. Go! Stand up. Form yourself. Go, 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 go. Okay. 1 line sa team ni Tito JM, 1 line na sa team ni Tita Kim. Okay. Kuya, move there. Okay. Follow ko sila danay line. So, Lalakchan, move forward sa atin. Okay, flip. Okay. So, guys, just mayo lang din kami. Mag-start na nga muna palihog lang ang labay diri sa event area. Outside kami ma-play sa kids. So, dapat hindi sila disturb sa paghampang para mag-enjoy din sila. So, tapos nga guardian na gusto magkuha videos, ma'am, dito mo muna. Sa nga guardian na gusto magkuha pictures, ma'am, dirigit ka mo sa piyak na. Transfer lang, please. Ay, para ma-clear ang area natin. Ma'am, thank you again. Avoid lang din ang kabay-labay, guardians. Kung mag-agi, palihog, lang sa blue map. Okay, let's chat ready na ang kids. So, this time, muna siya ang team. Ang sa team, Okay, tandaan ang team, ha? Dito, tandaan ang team. Anong team? Okay, dito na side ang team. B, anong team? B, tandaan ang team, ha? Team B. So, ready, team A, B, you walk slowly outside the event area. Don't break your line. Good. Kahit naman pa-videos na rin sa loob ng para sa event area. Okay. Ma'am, sir, palihog lang pa-avoid sa labay ng again. Okay. Tupang nga dito. Malapit. Adrio. Mag-share nga. This side. Okay. Arms forward. Follow ka dito. Arms forward. Okay. Follow sila rin siya. Arms forward. Okay. Arms forward, Lala. Okay. Good job. Okay. Raise your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands, everybody. Shake your hands. Okay, down. So let's do the round two winner. Okay, so the winner for the second round is Team B. Yay! So nagbawi ang Team B. Congratulations, may 1 point na sila. Okay, so kids, ready sa final round ha. Isa na lang ka boys ang kinanlan sa isa ka team para mag-winner. Alright, narasyan mo ba, Lord? Hold the rope, kids. Okay, forward, titita Team B, forward. Okay, so hindi magaling sa line, Anay, okay? So ready, let's do the final round in 3, 2, 1, go! Go Team A! Go Team B! Team B! 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Go back to the line, everyone. Everyone. And one line. Form one line, Team A. One line, one line. A line here. Line. Hello. Yes, hello. Okay. Line, 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 Team B. Where's your line? Kalapit, kalapit. Okay. Okay. So the winner for the final round is Team A. Yay! Alright, good job, Team A. So Team B, it's okay. So nagbawi man sila sa second round, okay? So lahat siya na muna mag-clap is Team B. Okay, you need to give 5 claps sa Team A and you need to shout congratulations. Ready? Clap! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations! Alright, congratulations, Team B. Alright, Team A. So it's time for you to give 3 claps sa Team B and you need to shout, good job. Ano yung shout? Good job. Ano yung shout? Okay, clap your hands. Go! 1, 2, 3. Good job, Team B. Clap your hands, everybody. Okay, so let's go back sa event area. Guardians, thank you sa inyong operation. Pwede na kamo ka-move outside sa event area. Mabalik ang kids. Okay, so kids, as forward, follow lang sila. Okay. Nakawalk ang Team A. Congratulations again, Team A! Team B! Yay! Okay. Move here. Okay, kids. Follow sila na dyan ang sideward. Okay, sideward, kids. Okay, very good. Naka-sideward. Okay. Window, anay. Okay, tapos na. Alright, let's up. Up your hands, up. Okay, down. Very good. So we have one last dance with the chant. So, follow nila mag-dance si Lala, ha? Okay, dapat kung ano energy ni Lala, energy man ka mo. Okay, ready? Music, please. Nice. Follow lang. Everyone, jump! surprise niyo ha, okay? So count! 1, 2, 3! Surprise! Okay, so ang una, nag-sit down at tagaan nila na siya. Sit down first. Okay, sit down na, sit down. Okay, very good. Diretsan mo backward. So, si Tito JM lang pag si Tita Kim ang mag-gift. Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. And sit down. Okay, so, sino wala pa? Sino wala pa? Okay. Okay, sit down, kids. Okay, lagi na. Tapos ang kalanay mo na. Wala pa nakatapos na. Okay. Sit down, kids. Sit down, everyone. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay, waiver balloons. Waiver balloons. Dapat magawas kita, kids. Sulat. Tanang mabatian kung nagagpal. Hooray. Tanong siya.